Hi, today I want to show you how to set up the pre-installed Prometheus Monitoring app. Select the app and type in the username admin and the password change.me. Then navigate to the flow orchestrator. In here you can see a bunch of probe flows. Those flows collect all kinds of router metrics such as connections, CPU, memory and so on. We need to start all of them, so we select all flows on our router. If you have more than one router, activate those flows on all of them. You can also see a flow which is tagged with REST. This is our REST handler, which offers the metrics via a REST route on which Prometheus is listening via the defined target in the configuration. This flow only needs to be activated on one router. After the activation of all probe flows on all routers and the REST handler on one router, you can test if the metrics are produced by opening the defined REST route in your browser. Just add after your base URL /API/Prometheus/metrics. And as you can see, the metrics are produced. So the route is ready to be scraped by Prometheus. Let's go back to the flow orchestrator so I can show you another option. If you want to monitor a single queue, such as message count or similar, there's a template defined. The single queue probe template. Copy it and type in the name of a queue which you want to observe. We use this one because it has traffic. Now click on Edit and complete the two missing flow parameters, the CLI context and the queue name. For the CLI context, we type sys $queuemanager/usage/the queue name. And again, the queue name is defined in the queue name flow parameter. Now it is done and we can go back and activate the flow on our router. Flow Director is now completely set up to be used with Prometheus and Grafana. So now we need to configure Prometheus since Flow Director is ready. I have Prometheus installed but not started yet, so please be sure that you have installed it before doing this. I use Docker, so I go to the Prometheus YAML file and define the needed scraping information. At the bottom you see this block with the job name SwiftMQ. Important is the metrics path, which is our REST route we typed in our browser before, and the target. I need to define the IP address, but this is Docker specific and because I let it run on my local host. Otherwise, you can also use the host name. If you have done this, we can start our Prometheus and simultaneously Grafana. So this is now Grafana. I have prepared a dashboard and you can see that the router metrics are already coming in, such as the active connections, the CPU, subscribers, memory queue, and so on. And at the bottom we can see the single queue which we defined previously. Let's have a look into the configuration of such a chart. We click on memory usage and then on edit, and we see the three defined metrics A, B, and C here. If we click now on the metrics in A and search for our job name SwiftMQ, we can find all available metrics. The name of it begins always with SwiftMQ, followed by the router name, which is router for us, and then the metrics name. You can just choose a metric in here and display it in the chart. And this is how to use the Prometheus Monitoring app. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time.